आपने नोटिस दिया है, गंभीर विषय है, लेकिन ऑनरेबल चेयरमैन इसका एडमिशन नहीं दिया है, इसलिए फर्दर नहीं बोल। रंगराजन प्लीज, रंगराजन प्लीज, रंगराजन प्लीज।
Today 10 lakhs of bank employees.
That is already
have gone on
raised.
strike. It is a patriotic strike. I would like to broad this house. It is a patriotic strike. They are not going on strike for their own demands. They are going on strike for the people who put money in the bank.
Yeah.
The government wanted to bundle all the Bangalore
Okay,
banks
that's
into
all.
one bank.
Now take your seat.
So they are outsourcing
All right,
everything.
now take your
The
seat.
farmers are
I
hired.
understood the subject is
students are
important.
hired.
What is
Not the
Sukhendra Shekhar Roy?
The issue,
Yes, yes. Baba ji,
excellent.
Sukhendra Shekhar Roy, what is your point?
The issue raised by Mr. D. Raja and Mr. Rangarajan, that is a very sensitive issue because the
I also
employees
important
are on
issue.
strike all over the country.
Yeah.
The government should respond to this.
Yeah, it is up to the government, they want
Government
to.
should respond.
Okay, now, that's okay. Whatever you said recorded, I also accept it is an important subject, but it is not permitted, 267 is not permitted. If you want a discussion, approach, give another notice under some other rule, no problem. Now, you want to say something? Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman, what do you want to say?
Thank you for giving
No,
me...
what do you want to say? Tell
Sir,
me.
please, 1 minute, sir.
Yeah,
Thank
please.
you for giving me this opportunity,
Yeah.
sir. I
What
was
is it?
laying
What
a
is it?
paper on 27th Wednesday, day before yesterday, and Honorable Member Sukhendu Shekhar Roy objected to me laying...
No, no, I
saying that
tell you, I
gave me-
permitted you.
You were very grateful.
I
am
permitted
grateful-
you.
No, I am grateful to you for having permitted
So
me on
what
a
is the issue
technical-
now?
But the issue is, the objection that was raised on a matter by the honorable member was completely different from what I was trying to lay as a paper here. I just want to draw the attention. I have all the papers before me. I just want to tell you that on that the day, the paper that I was laying related to newsprint control order in which we state every time. No,
No, let
please
me
don't
listen to,
press up.
let me listen to, sit down.
8 minutes.
No, no, sit down. She is a minister, she has a right. No, sit down, sit down.
No.
Why are you objecting to this?
Sir, this is
She's
a
a
matter-
minister, she can intervene always.
Sir,
Sit
this
down.
is a matter of importance because it is a matter of credibility of my ministry. We have come here to lay a paper to draw the attention of the members on an addition that is being made to the newsprint control order, which is a normal routine thing where we, every time a new company comes to produce
That's
newsprint,
okay.
we will state it, and that's what I've done. I shall leave these papers. But the matter on which the honorable member objected to me saying the matter is in the court, stay order has been issued, is on a completely different issue, which is a DGFT order, which was issued on 3rd
Your
June
point is-
about import. And that paper is here. And in which I would like, sorry sir for
Okay, all right.
indulging on your time, but in which you that day also pointed out that the honorable member probably is advocating the cause of that particular thing, which he is entitled to maybe. And that paper is also here. These two, one relate to the import of and a DGFT order for the import of newsprint on which the matter may be in the court. But the paper that I was laying here relates to information that I have to give to the House about new companies which come to produce newsprint. And that is a declaration I have to make in this House as per the newsprint
okay.
control
I
order.
understood
They're
that.
two completely different matter.
Yeah,
And let me take one fraction of a minute. The member being so self-assured, without even looking at what I was actually placing, went to the extent of saying, and I'm quoting from the transcript of the House,
No need-
saying,
no need to quote.
A privilege motion can be moved against me if I'm making a false statement. This is false or what? You have talked about completely different
no,
things,
that
whereas
is-
I'm
that
trying
is
to do.
now- see.
I agree.
And it
I'm
is
grateful
clear.
that you gave me
It
the
is
opportunity
clear.
to put the record
No.
straight. It is more for the record
No,
to be clear
it
and
is
straight.
It is clear. No.
Thank you.
I'll tell you. See, only thing is, your point is that the paper you wanted to lay was something else, and the paper he referred to is
Completely
something
different.
That is all
I
the
wish
point.
only he had seen
So
the-
would you? Yes, you can.
Yes.
Yeah, you can.
1 second.
No, I'm not allowing you. No, I can. See, no, on this issue, he is a person concerned. You are not person. It is. It is only. It is only.
On 20
She is only correcting a position which is. But let me see what you have to say.
On 27th of July, the Honorable Minister for Commerce and Industry, she laid down certain papers relating to a notification regarding the import of newsprint. And identical matter, regarding import of newsprint, a court case is pending before Calcutta High Court and a stay order has been passed. The stay order has been passed. This notification may be different, the date may be different. I was under confusion.
So I would suggest-
If it has caused any inconvenience to the ministry or the minister, I tendered my unconditional apologies,
With that-
and whatever I have stated, that should be expunged from the records.
Okay, thank you. That's a positive way of looking at. This is a very good approach. Now let me come to 0 hour. No, you have not, what notice on what?
Who had passed all examinations conducted by UPSC and were not given postings. I had given a notice under Rule 176.
176?
Yes, sir.
Honorable Chairman will examine it. Sit down. Sit down. Yeah, Bhagwan Khanji.
The entire North Karnataka is burning
Yes, sir.
because of the scarcity of drinking water and irrigation. The matter is before the River Water Tribunal.
Yeah.
But today, North Karnataka is suffering from drinking water. We have appealed to the High Court, but High Court has not considered. Of course, it is still there. But this matter is very important because it is drinking water, humanitarian. We request the Prime Minister to intervene and call both the Chief Minister of both the states to negotiate and solve the immediate drinking water problem in the North Karnataka, because there is entire North Karnataka is on strike and hartal, and it is, I request you to kindly, I request the Prime Minister to intervene. It is, the matter is before the court, we agree. But the Prime Minister, there are precedents where there is a scarcity of drinking water. The Prime Minister has intervened with the two states and solved. I appeal to the Prime Minister to look into this.
Naqvi, kindly convey. Yes. Kindly convey, that's all. No, kindly convey.
It's a
Yeah.
serious issue and definitely
Yeah,
will.
convey. Now 0 hour submission, Sri K.K. Ragesh. Sri K.K. Ragesh.
Thank you, Honorable Deputy Chairman, sir. I stand to bring before this August House regarding a very important issue, that a particular step taken by the State Bank of India. Recently, the SBI had handed over education loans, defaulted education loans to the Reliance Asset Reconstruction Company. It had sold 847 crores of rupees to the Reliance company, and Reliance company had to pay back only 45% of the total loan amount, and that too within a period of 15 years. Sir, why the SBI is taking such kind of a decision? If students are given the same concession which was offered to the Reliance company, students themselves voluntarily, they may be paying back the loan amount if the amount is to be paid 45% of the total amount. And 15 years period is given to the students, they may be voluntarily paying back. And why such a concession is being offered to the Reliance company? And it is not for the first time that the SBI shows its apathy towards the student community. Recently, they had decided that those students who had defaulted loans, they were not allowed even for applying a job in SBI. What is this, sir? And who is depending upon education loans? It is the students from socially and educationally backward sections. They are depending upon education loans. And why they are not in a position to pay back? Because of the poor quality of education, because of the unemployment situation that exists in our country. All these are the reason that the students are not in a position to pay back the loan that they had taken. It is the responsibility of the government, state, for ensuring education and employment to the youth and students of our country. And government is abdicated its responsibility. And of course, indebted students are the victims of the education policy of our country. And in the field of education, user pay principle is being implemented. Those who seek for education, they are compelled to pay money for education. Education institutions are being made as mere teaching shop, and that is why such a situation arise. And I demand the central government to immediately intervene and reverse the decision taken by the State Bank of India. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. Yes, all the names to associate may be added. Yes, really. This is an important point you raised. Yeah. Sri Sharad Yadav ji.
तो सभापति जी, पूरे देश में जो बेकारी और बेरोजगारी है वो विकट समस्या हो गई है। इस सरकार के आने के दौर में 2014 में एक बड़ा वादा किया गया। वो वादा था कि हर बरस हम 2 करोड़ लोगों को रोजगार देंगे। ये बड़ा वादा था। यदि ये वादा पूरा किया जाए तो देश बन सकता है, देश आगे जा सकता है। हालात ये है कि 2 तरह के नौजवान हैं। एक नौजवान जो है वो अंग्रेजी की शिक्षा प्राप्त करता है, उसके सामने तो रोजगार के कुछ अवसर जरूर हैं, लेकिन जो नौजवान भारतीय भाषाओं में जो पढ़ाई करता है, चाहे वो कन्नड़ हो, चाहे वो मलयालम हो, चाहे वो बंगाली हो, चाहे वो गुजराती हो और चाहे वो हिंदी हो, और बहुसंख्यक जो नौजवान हैं वो इन्हीं भाषाओं में वो अपना एजुकेशन लेता है। वो ज़्यादातर सरकारी स्कूल है। हालात ये हैं कि देश में इतनी विकट समस्या है ये कि इस पर सरकार की तरफ से भी, और मैं कहना चाहता हूँ कि आपकी तरफ से वादा था 2 करोड़ लोगों को हर बरस रोजगार देंगे, लेकिन रोजगार के मामले में हालत यह है कि जो ऑर्गेनाइज सेक्टर है उसमें रोजगार पहले 2011 में 9 लाख थे, 2013 में घटकर के आधे हो गए 4 लाख.19 और 2014 में 4.21 लाख और 2015 में सिर्फ केवल 1.35 लाख। यानी किस तरह से जो ऑर्गेनाइज सेक्टर है जिसमें 80% हिंदुस्तान का लोन जाता है। अभी ये किसी नौजवान ने, किसी मेंबर ने माननीय एनपीए का मामला उठाया था। बैंक के कर्मचारी हड़ताल पर है। मैं कहना चाहता हूं कि 8% लोगों के रोजगार के लिए 80% आपका लोन जाता है। रोजगार का ये हालत है कि पूरे भारत की सारे जो पब्लिक सेक्टर था वो घटते जा रहा। उसके ऊपर आपका कोई ध्यान नहीं। आप कई तरह के स्लोगन लगा रहे हैं, मेक इन इंडिया, ये वो, एफडीआई, तमाम तरह की बातें आप चला रहे हैं, लेकिन किसी तरह से भी हिंदुस्तान में जो सबसे ज्यादा विकास का मतलब है, जो हाथ है, जो इंसान है, उनको रोजगार मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा। इसलिए मेरा ये कहना है कि सरकार जो है वो भारतीय भाषाओं में जो नौजवान हैं उनके रोजगार का इतना बड़ा संकट है, और दूसरी तरफ
ओके, हो गया, टाइम हो गया। ओके, या, ऑल राइट, यू वांट टू एसोसिएट? ओके, यू वांट टू एसोसिएट? ओके, टाइम हो गया। यस, या, वन ऑफ, वन ऑफ।
Sir, I associate with my colleague
You associate.
Sharad Yadav ji.
Okay.
And sir, only one point I want to make.
सरकार को बताना चाहिए।
हो गया।
Only one point. Every year, sir, 1.3 crore of our youth join the job markets. 1.3 crore. The figures he is given now, just now, Mr. Sharad Yadav, is 1.35 lakh.
Is it correct?
That is what he is just figured. Yes. That means 1%, sir. 1%. 1% of the youth joining. Forget the backlog. This is 1% of the youth joining. And the other
Okay.
point is made is very
So you
correct.
associate.
Sir, only less than 7% of the labor force in India is organized labor. That is permanent jobs. 93% plus are on casual contract,
Okay.
temporary
All
job.
right.
No loss for them.
Okay,
No
okay.
loss for them. This is a very important issue.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
Therefore,
Anand
please
Sharma,
associate.
Anand Sharma.
एक मिनट भैया
अरे अंसारी बैठिए. What are you doing? Always
Sir.
getting up. Yeah.
जो शरद जी ने बात उठाई है, अभी सीताराम जी ने भी कहा, ये एक बहुत गंभीर विषय है। स्थिति जो देश के अंदर है युवा पीढ़ी में वो बहुत हताश है, क्योंकि रोजगार पैदा नहीं हो रहा, रोजगार दिया नहीं जा रहा, रोजगार टूट रहा है। मैं आप इस सदन को चर्चा करनी चाहिए और हम बताएंगे कि किस किस क्षेत्र में कितना रोजगार टूटा है। ये बात
चर्चा करिए,
कहने
नोटिस।
से नहीं होगी कि मेड इन इंडिया,
Notice is
स्टार्टअप
sir.
इंडिया,
You
स्टैंड
can
अप
give
इंडिया।
notice.
अरे स्टैंड अप तो मोदी जी को और
Honorable,
सरकार को होना
Deputy
चाहिए।
Chairman sir.
जो वायदा दिया था हिंदुस्तान के नौजवानों
देखिए,
को,
Honorable
2 करोड़
Deputy Chairman
रोजगार
sir,
दिया। आज बेकारी
जो शरद
फैल गई है
यादव जी
देश
ने
में।
बात कही है,
नौजवान
मैं पहली
परेशान
बात
है,
पे शरद
परिवार
यादव जी
परेशान
को
है,
स्पष्ट
very
बोलना
Notice,
चाहता
you
हूं,
can give
उनका
notice.
इस पे चर्चा होनी चाहिए।
Notice दे दो.
जो उन्होंने जो विश्लेषण किया है, जो उनके पास डिटेल है, मैं उसको कोई कंट्राडिक्ट नहीं करता।
They
लेकिन
want
देश
discussion.
में विकास और विश्वास का माहौल है। गांव, गरीब, किसान, नौजवान वो सशक्तिकरण की तरफ तेजी से बढ़ रहा है। प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में चाहे स्टार्टअप इंडिया हो, चाहे स्टैंड अप इंडिया हो, चाहे मेक इन इंडिया हो, हर क्षेत्र में रोजगार और रोजगार के अवसर बढ़े हैं। और अगर आनंद शर्मा जी कहते हैं हताशा है, निराशा है, तो अगर कांग्रेस के मित्रों में हताशा, निराशा है तो उसका इलाज तो हम नहीं कर सकते। लेकिन देश में विश्वास है और देश में जो है वो देश में एम्पावरमेंट का माहौल है, इससे हम आपको कहते हैं।
Now, Sri P. Bhattacharya, Sri P. Bhattacharya, Sri P. Bhattacharya, Sri P. Bhattacharya, over. You can give notice. You can give notice if you want. Sri P. Bhattacharya.
You said,
No, no.
gradually unemployment situation in the
If you want discussion, if you want discussion, you can give notice. Sri P. Bhattacharya, next 0 hours, you can give notice. No discussion. Yeah, you give notice.
Very wrong.
If
That is
comment
not
is
the way.
unparliamentary, I will go through the action. I will go through. Sri P. Bhattacharya. Sri P. Bhattacharya.
देश में हताशा निराशा है। It's parliamentary. His comment is
No, if it is unparliamentary, I will change.
It's parliamentary.
I will see the record. Sit down.
No. देश में कोई हताशा निराशा नहीं है।
No, no, no.
देश में विश्वास है।
What? उन्होंने क्या बोला? अरे उनको बुलाओ. क्या बोला? उन्होंने क्या बोला? क्या बोला? क्या बोला? क्या बोला? No, Srini. Now, please. See, don't. What happened? What is this? Ali Khan. Now, listen to me. Please listen. Now, please listen. Are, please listen. Are, suniye. Please listen to me. Now, ये Manwar Salim, Manwar Salim, Manwar Salim, Manwar Salim. No, please. No, please. Manwar Salim, please. Now listen. No, see. No, please. Now I tell you. See, on the pretext of a slightest provocation, even no, let me complete. Let me complete. Yeah, let me complete. See, on the pretext of, now please, now on the pretext of a slightest provocation, please don't come to the well. If there is anything unparliamentary, any word unparliamentary in what the minister has said, I will expunge it. I will go through and expunge it. Please go back to your seat. Please go back to your seat. No, please go back.
My point of order is, क्या देश में हताशा है? देश में हताशा नहीं है।
I will go through the record
स्पंज करना पड़ेगा।
and explain if there is any word unparliamentary.
कांग्रेस
Please go back to your seat.
देश में हताशा है। ये देश हताश होने वाला नहीं है। ये कुछ लोगों में हताशा हो सकती है। देश हताश नहीं होगा।
See, why are you? Arey, I have to decide. See, honorable members, no, I have to decide whether it is unparliamentary, not you. No. I have to decide whether it is unparliamentary or not. You cannot decide it. Please go back to your seat. This is called anarchy. What do I say? No leader, some people coming and shouting. See, why I told Nishad, Rajiv Gowda, Nishad. Now, अरे निशाद, सुनिए, I tell you, now I am telling you whether a word is unparliamentary or not. It is for the chair to decide. Now, I will go through it. I will go. See, I do not approve of it. I do not approve of it. Yours. Sri Bhattacharya, Sri Hussain Delwai, Sri Vivek Tanka, Sri Shambhaji Shahu Chhatrapati, Sri Ananda Bhaskar Rapalu, Sri Chaya Verma, Sri Ripun Bora, Sri Narendra Budania, Sri Chaudhary Manwar Salim, Sri Shadi Lal Batra, Sri Prabhat Jha. These are the names I am having for 0 hour submission. I am sorry, I am not able to allow them. I am sorry, I am not able to allow them. You know why I am not able to allow them. See, on the one side, you want, see, Muhammad Ali Khan, I am asking you a question. See, you every day shouts from there, asking some opportunity to speak. I have 10 names waiting here. They won't raise their submission. You are standing in their way. That is what I told you. I told you I will go through the, I told you I will go through the record. No. That I have to decide, not you. No. I will go through the record. If there is unparliamentary, I will expunge it. What is the record? Show me. पूछो क्या है एसएसडी साहब से क्या वर्ड है या एसएसडी साहब एस एचओडी जी बोलिए.
They were disparaging remarks made about the Congress party. That is.
No, I said I will go through the record.
Now the point, sir, listen. The point is.
खिलाफ बोला है.
Sir, the point
आपने
is.
देश के आपका रिमार्क कांग्रेस का रिमार्क.
श्री एचओडी.
आपने कहा देश हताश है.
श्री एचओडी.
हताश नहीं हो सकता. आप हताश हैं. देश को आप हताश नहीं बता सकते.
श्री एचओडी.
आप देश को कहते हैं देश हताश है और हमारे बात को आप कहते हैं अनपार्लियामेंट्री. ये देश वीरों का देश है. ये देश जो है वो बहादुरों का देश है. हताश नहीं हो सकता.
What we were discussing. What we were discussing. Yes. What we were discussing. What we were discussing.
एचओडी जी. Let me listen to एचओडी.
देश को हताश कहा है.
Let me listen to एचओडी.
ये देश निराश नहीं हो सकता. ये देश हताश नहीं हो सकता.
What we were discussing was the issue of unemployment that involves everybody, that concerns the whole country. Why bring in one party's name and make comments on it? That should not be done by a minister. That is the point. So you tell the minister that that was not correct. He just takes it back. The matter is over. Why do you bring in one party?
I have to see the record.
I have to see the record.
इसमें स्वीकार करते हो ये जो एक पार्टी के खिलाफ बोला गया है उसको निकाल देना चाहिए। ये गलत बोल रही है। असली मेरा ये मानना है कि जो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लेबर है
House is adjourned up to 12:00 hours. Adjourned up to 12:00 hours.